addiction to change our mind. We so in love, but babe, it's not enough to survive. Cause it's your way, love, 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 that makes us do all the stupid shit that we do.
What's up, y'all? It is your girl Candace, Denise, and I'm back again with another video. What's up, y'all? I hope that everybody's doing good, safe, sanitized, living, loving on the people that love on you, and pouring into the people that pour into you, because life is so short. You really have to cherish each and every moment, y'all. As you can tell from the title, we are getting into some Shein home products. Now, y'all know I recently moved into my new home, so well, is that recent? Like, it's been at this point over a year. Is your home ever really finished? Like, it's a work in progress. Like, you literally have to dedicate doing things to your home every month. So I decided that what I was going to do is focus on one room a month. Now, I'm not going to say that this is one room, but in my mind, that's what I said I was going to do, was going to focus on one room per month. So that's what I'm going to start next month. So I'm always looking for things to enhance my home and just give it that ambiance, because I want my house, I want it to be cozy. I want it to be welcoming. So I got some things to kind of add to the vibe in the house. So we're going to get right into this haul, y'all. Ooh. So these are plastic storage containers. This one comes in a set of 3, but I think they offer different options. I got gold, of course, but they do come in silver as well. I needed these to make sure that things in my bathroom were organized, because I got a lot like a cotton swab, cotton pads, things like that, and I just have them in the original packaging, but I wanted something that would be clean, kind of chic, and then just, make it look less cluttered. So I got these. So cute. These are tea. So let's see what's next. Okay, so this is a paper towel holder, under the cabinet paper towel holder. You can actually mount it on the wall, or you can use this to press and tape it up there. Now, I'm gonna do that because me and nails and child, we'll be all day trying to install a paper towel holder, but Shein came through with the sticky tab on the back, so I could just stick it and then put the paper towel, so I can put this under my cabinet. I gotta figure out which cabinet I'm gonna put it under, but you can put this on like a metal wall, smooth wood, ceramic tile, glass, or smooth marble, and you can drill it into the wall. It comes with the drill instructions as well. Y'all know we not drilling nothing. My paper towels are just sitting on the counter, and I'm not gonna say I don't want anything on my counter, but I just don't want stuff to like make it look cluttered and unorganized. So I feel like, again, this will make it look chic, cute. Gold is my thing. Gold is my metal, so this is gonna work out perfect. We got some books, some faux books, y'all. Okay, so this is a decorative book stack. I thought this was some stickers at first, and I was like, wait a minute, now I know I ain't ordering no stickers, but reading is fundamental. You can add decorative books to any table just to kind of enhance it and give it a luxury vibe. Let's see here. So it comes like that, but you would just shape the box, and it has a sticky tab right here for you to look for the table. And it comes with 3. So this one says Picasso. This one says 333, angel number 333. And then this one says Aroma cutouts art. Just decorative books, just to enhance your area. Then we got this. Oh, these must be my flowers. These are large artificial plants, a birds of paradise tree. Now I have one that's in my kitchen, but I wanted one to go in my bedroom. Like, I just want plants, artificial plants everywhere. You know, I'm not a plant girly. In my mind, I take care of plants, but in all actuality, not so much. So it comes with the stems and then the actual leaves. So this is the, you have to unbend it. Okay, this is good. You know what? I never thought about how they would actually ship that. I don't know why I was thinking, oh, it'll come as one. No. This is the actual plant itself. So I would just need to get a planter for it, or a pot for it to go in, and then you just take the leaves and attach. Ow! Stabbing myself. Almost dropped these. Okay, that feels like really good quality, and then you just attach it. Easy peasy. I'm gonna put this together and then I'll show y'all what it looks like.
Ooh, this is nice. Girl, this all this is you right here? Okay. They don't smell like roaches in here or nothing.
Now this is a bowl for decoration. I was thinking about putting it on my garage, but I don't know. It's a 39-inch bowl. It comes with the directions and what's this, sticky tape and nails. We're not nailing nothing. But it comes with the little sticky tape. Oh, it comes with zip ties. Let's see what these directions say. Okay, so the material is like foam. Like, you know how you used to do those projects in school and they would give you like the foam paper to use? This is foam paper. And so it has about 23 instructions. So I'm gonna put this together and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Comes with step-by-step and the actual pictures too. So y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this small Shein home haul to show you the home finds that I did get from them. They have so many different things. Like, you literally be looking for hours and hours and hours, but there's so many different options and there's so many different affordable prices. So make sure that you check the description box. I'll have the direct link to the items as well as a coupon code so that you can save some money on your order. Also, make sure that you like this video. Make sure you comment down below and let me know if you have any of these finds or if there was something that you found that you think I would like that would add to my home. Drop them in the comments and let me know. And most importantly, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and have those notifications turned on so that when I post a video, you will know and you won't miss. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for your love and for your support. And if no one else has told you that they love you, just know that Candace and Denise does love you from the bottom of my heart. I will see y'all in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.
Change our mind. We so in love, but babe, it's not enough to survive. 'Cause it sure ain't love.